ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે નોર્મલ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન ટાઈપ 2 એના એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 6 સુધી કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરેલું હતું. નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 7. A certain type of ring have average diameter 1.36 inches and standard deviation 0.02 inches. If the ring has diameter between 1.35 inches and 1.374 inches is accepted in market. This is very important for us. Then how many percentage of ring are accepted in market? Okay, first of all we have find out probability, then convert probability into percentage. Okay, we have given mu 1.36, standard deviation 0.02, acceptance between 1.35 to 1.374. So we have to find out probabilities between these two. x1 1.35 to x2 1.374. Convert x into z, that is z1 is equal to x1 minus mu upon standard deviation to z2 is equal to x2 minus mu upon standard deviation. z1 is equal to 1.35 minus 1.36 divided by 0.02. 2. z2 is equal to 1.374 minus 1.36 divided by 0.02. z1 1.35 minus 1.36 divided by 0.02, that is minus 0.5. to z2 is equal to 1.374 minus 1.36, 0.014 divided by 0.02, that is 0.7. Draw area under normal curve. Exact middle માં z is equal to 0, 0.5 minus છે, so left hand side, 0.7 plus છે, so right hand side. Area of between these two. So probability p of x is equal to z is equal to minus 0.5 to z is equal to 0 plus z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 0.7, 0.5, 1915, 0.1915, 0.7, 0.2580, 0.2580. Total of these two, 0.1915 plus 0.2580, that is 4495. 4495. This is probability. We have to find out percentage. So percentage is equal to probability multiplied by 100. 0.4495 multiplied by 100, 44.95 percentage accepted in market. Okay, here our sum is completed. Next example, example number 8. The income of certain group is supposed to be normally distributed as fx is equal to 1 upon 15 divided by under root 25 e raised to minus x minus 72 square divided by 45. Then find what percentage of observation between 60 and 81. What percentage of observation less than 48. First of all we have to match this equation to normal probability equation. So normal probability equation is equal to p of x 1 upon standard deviation under root 2 pi multiplied by e raised to minus 1 by 2 x minus mu upon small sigma whole square. This is the function of normal probability distribution. So we have to compare this equation to this equation. Here it is given that fx is equal to 1 upon 15 under root 2 5, 15 multiplied by under root 2 5 multiplied by e raised to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is not given. Minus 1 by 2, x minus 72 divided by 45 whole square. Okay, so 1 upon 15. Here standard deviation. Here standard deviation is given. So here this is our standard deviation. So standard deviation is equal to 15. Here mu is given. So mu is equal to 72. Comparing both equation, we get standard deviation and mu. Mu is equal to 72, standard deviation is equal to 15. First question, what percentage observation between 60 to 81? Between 60 to 81. x1 is equal to 60 to x2 is equal to 81. So z1 is equal to x1 minus mu upon standard deviation to z2 is equal to x2 minus mu upon standard deviation. X1 is equal to 60 mu and standard deviation we already find 72 minus 15. 72 minus 72 divided by 15 to z2 is equal to 81 minus 72 divided by 15. So z1 is equal to 60 minus 72, that is 12. 12 minus 12 divided by 15 minus 0.8 to z2 is equal to 81 minus 72, that is plus 9 divided by 15, that is 0.6. Area under normal curve. Z is equal to 0, exact center માં 0.8 minus છે એટલે left hand side, 0.6 plus છે એટલે right hand side. Area between these two. So probability Z is equal to minus 0.8 to Z is equal to 0 plus Z is equal to 0 to Z is equal to 0.6. 0.8 2881 0.2881 plus 0.6 2257 0.2257. Total of these two 0.2881 plus 0.2257 5138. We have to find out probability. So probability percentage. So percentage is equal to probability multiplied by 100. 0.5138 multiplied by 100. So 51.38%. This is your first answer. Second, less than 48. Less than 48. So x1 is equal to 48 or less. Z is equal to x minus mu upon standard deviation or less. Z is equal to 48 minus mu 72 divided by 15 or less. So Z1 is equal to 48 minus 72 minus 24 by 15 minus 1.6 or less. Area under normal curve. Z is equal to 0, 1.6 minus છે એટલે left hand side, એનાથી less than એટલે left hand side વાળા બધા observation. Probability, left hand side ની total probability 0.5 minus Z is equal to minus 1.6 to Z is equal to 0 ની probability minus કરશું 1.6 4452 0.4452. 0.5 minus 0.4452 0.048 0.0548. We have to find out percentage. So percentage probability multiplied by n, 0.0548 multiplied by 100, 5.48%. This is your answer. Next, example number 9. The equation of normal distribution is as follow. Fx is equal to 1 upon under root 800 pi multiplied by e raised to minus x square minus 100x plus 2500 divided by 800. We know that the probability function of normal distribution p of x is equal to 1 upon standard deviation upon 2 pi multiplied by e raised to minus 1 by 2 x minus mu upon standard deviation all square. So here 800 ને આપણા બે પાર્ટ પાડવા પડશે, એમાં 2 આવવો જોઈએ. ઓકે, સો 800 that means 400 multiplied by 2 pi e raised to minus 1 ન્યુમરેટરમાંથી કોમન કાઢશું અને ડિનોમિનેટરમાંથી કોમન આપણે નીકળશે 2, કારણ કે આપણે અહીંયા 2 ની રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ છે, એટલે છેદમાંથી ડિનોમિનેટરમાંથી આપણે 2 કોમન કાઢશું. These are the factors of 2500. So 2500 કોના ફેક્ટર થશે કે જેના પાર્ટ કેવો થાય છે પ્લસ 100. 50 multiplied by 50 that is 2500, 50 plus 50 that is 100. So x square minus 50x plus 2500 divided by 800 માંથી આપણે 2 કોમન લીધા એટલે બાકી વધશે 400. ઓકે, now 400 નું root that is 20 multiplied by 2 pi e raised to minus 1 by 2. These are the perfect square of 50. So x minus 50 એનો square 40 નું root થશે 20, 20 નો square 400. So x minus 50 by 20 all square. So here standard deviation is equal to 20. This is our standard deviation. This is our standard deviation. Standard deviation, both are equal. This is 20. So standard deviation is equal to 20. This is our mu. Mu is equal to 50. So mu and standard deviation we get. First question, what percentage of observation is between 60 and 70? Between 60 and 70. So 60 and 70 na between. x1 is equal to 60 to x2 is equal to 70. Convert x into z. z1 is equal to x1 minus mu upon standard deviation to z2 is equal to x2 minus mu upon standard deviation. 60 minus 50 divided by 20 to z2 is equal to 70 minus 50 by 20. 10 by 20 that is 0.5 plus z2 is equal to 20 by 21. Area under normal curve, exact middle માં 0.5 plus છે એટલે right hand side, 1 પણ plus છે એટલે 0.5 ની right hand side, any between નો area. So probability first z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 1, એમાંથી આપણે માઇનસ કરશું z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 0.5. 1.3413, 0.5, 0.1918, sorry 1915, 0.1915, 0.3413 minus 0.1915, that is 1497. We have to find out percentage. So percentage probability multiplied by 100. 1497 multiplied by 100, 14.97 percentage. Second one, what percentage of observation between 40 and 60? Second, between 40 and 60. x1 is equal to 40 to x2 is equal to 60. z1 is equal to x1 minus mu upon standard deviation to z2 is equal to x2 minus mu upon standard deviation. So z1 is equal to 40 minus mu આપણે મળ્યો છે 50 and standard deviation 20, 50 by 20. 2 z2 is equal to 60 minus 50 by 20. z1 is equal to minus 10 by 20, that is minus 0.5. z2 is equal to 10 by 20, that is 0.5. Area under normal curve. Exact middle માં z is equal to 0. Left hand side 0.5 minus છે એટલે left hand side, 0.5 plus છે એટલે right hand side. એની વચ્ચેનો area. So probability is equal to z is equal to minus 0.5 to z is equal to 0 plus z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 0.5. 0.1915 multiplied by 2. 0.1915 multiplied by 2, 0.383. We have to find out percentage. So percentage probability multiplied by 100. 0.383 multiplied by 100, 38.3 percentage. This is your answer. Next one, example number 12. Same as example number 9. So homework માં રહેશે. Next, example number 11. If x colon n 49, then find probability of p of 30 lesser than or equal to x lesser than or equal to 50, between 30 to 50. Now in normal distribution, x colon n mu small sigma square. This is not for you. Okay, this is one of the properties of normal distribution. So x colon n mu standard deviation square. So mu is equal to 40. Standard deviation square is equal to 9. That's why standard deviation is equal to 3. Now we have to find out between 30 to 50. x1 30 to x2 50. z1 is equal to x1 minus mu upon standard deviation to z2 is equal to x2 minus mu upon standard deviation 30. z1 is equal to 30 minus mu is equal to 40 divided by 3 to z2 is equal to 50 minus 40 divided by 3. So z1 is equal to 30 minus 40, that is minus 10 divided by 3, minus 3.33. To z2 is equal to plus 10 divided by 3, so 3.33. Area under normal curve. Exact middle માં z is equal to 0, minus 3.33 left hand side, plus 3.33 right hand side. Any between no area. So p of x is equal to z is equal to minus 3.3t to z is equal to 0 plus z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 3.33. So 3.33. 3.3 and 0.3 માં 0 1 2 3 4 9 9 6. 0.4996 plus 0.4996 0.4996 multiplied by 2, 0.9992. This is your answer. Next, last of this type, example number 12. Average weight of 100 boy of a college is 52 kg and its standard deviation is 3 kg. Assuming weight to be normally distributed. So there are 100 boy, so n is equal to 100. Their weight, average weight, that is mu is equal to 52. Their standard deviation is equal to 3. Find number of boy whose weight between 48 to 53 kg and exact 56 kg. This is very important for us. Assuming weights are recorded in exact kg. This means, say for example કે કોઈનો વેઇટ છે એ 56.5 આવેલો હોય તો નોર્મલી આપણે જે રાઉન્ડિંગનો રૂલ છે શું કરીએ, આપણે એક્ઝેક્ટમાં આપણે નંબર રેકોર્ડ કરવાના છે. તો 56.5 હોય તો આપણે શું કરીએ 57. Say for example 56.4 હોય તો 56. મીન્સ 0.5 કરતાં વધારે હોય તો આપણે નેક્સ્ટમાં રાઉન્ડિંગ કરીએ છીએ. 0.5 કરતાં ઓછા હશે તો આપણે એને નંબર રાખીએ છીએ. તો આનો મિનિંગ એવો થશે કે એક્ઝેક્ટ નંબરમાં રેકોર્ડ કરેલા છે એટલે પોઈન્ટમાં રેકોર્ડ કરેલા નથી. ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન છે આપણો between 48 to 53 kg. between 48 to 53 kg. That means કે કોઈનો વેઇટ 47.5 કરતાં વધારે હશે તો આપણે શેમાં રેકોર્ડ કરેલા હશે 48 કરતાં, અને કોઈનો વેઇટ છે 53.5 કરતાં ઓછો હશે તો શેમાં રેકોર્ડ કરેલા હશે 53માં. સો x1 થશે 47.5 to x2 થશે 53.5. ક્લિયર? 48માંથી આપણે 0.5 લેસ કર્યા, 53માં આપણે 0.5 પ્લસ કર્યા, કારણ કે 0.5 કરતાં ઓછા વેઇટ હશે તો આપણે એને 53માં જ રાખશે અને 0.5 કરતાં વધારે હશે તો આપણે એને 48માં જ રાખશે. ઓકે, સો z1 is equal to x1 minus mu upon standard deviation to z2 is equal to x2 minus mu upon standard deviation. z1 is equal to 47.5 minus 52 divided by 3 to z2 is equal to 53.5 minus 52 divided by 3, 47.5 minus 52 divided by 3, 1.5 minus 2. Z2 is equal to 53.5 minus 52, 53.5 minus 52 divided by 3, that is 0.5. Draw area under normal curve. Exact middle માં z is equal to 0, 1.5 negative છે, so left hand side, 0.5 positive છે, so right hand side, between these two area, between these two. So probability is equal to p of x is equal to z is equal to minus 1.5 to z is equal to 0 plus z is equal to 0 to 0, z is equal to 0.5, 1.5, 1.5, 0.4332, 4332, 0.5, 1915, 0.1915, 0.4332 plus 0.1915, that is 6247, 0.6247. We have to find out number. So number is equal to probability multiplied by n. 0.6247 multiplied by number of students. There are 100 students in a class, so multiplied by 100. So 62 students whose weight between 48 to 53. Next, second one, exact 56 kg. 50 exact 56 kg. 100 मीन्स देट मीन्स कोईनो वेट 55.5 करता वधारे हशे तो एने आपणे 56 में रेकॉर्ड करेला हशे। कोईनो वेट 56.5 करता ओछो हशे तो पण आपणे एने 56 में रेकॉर्ड करेला हशे एटले थशे बिटवीन 55.5 टू 56.5। क्लियर। नाउ x1 is equal to 55.5 to x2 is equal to 56.5. z1 is equal to x1 minus mu upon standard deviation to z2 is equal to x2 minus mu upon standard deviation. 55.5 minus mu 52 divided by standard deviation 3 to z2 is equal to 56.5 minus 52 divided by 3. z1 is equal to 55.5 minus 52 divided by 3, 1.17. 2. z2 is equal to 56.5 minus 52 divided by 3, that is 1.5. एरिया अंडर नॉर्मल कर्व 1.17 प्लस है एटले राइट हेन्ड साइड आवशे 1.17। 1.5 प्लस है एटले एना करता राइट हेन्ड साइड एनी बिटवीन नो एरिया। सो प्रोबेबिलिटी इज इक्वल टू z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 1.5 minus z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 1.17. So 1.5, that is 4332, 0.4332, 1.17, 1.7 નું 7 માં 4616, 0.4 1.17, sorry 1.1 નું 7 માં 3790, 0.3790, 0.4332 minus 0.3790, 0.0542, percentage probability multiplied by n, 0.0542 multiplied by 100, 5.42, that is 5. 5 student, their weight is exact 56. So here our type 1 is completed. In next session we will start our next type, that is type 2. Thank you.